Everyone was waiting for MIUI 12 and finally China has rolled out MIUI 12 beta version in China. The features are revealed, so I am going to tell about that today. So do watch the video till the end. Without any further ado, let's get started. MIUI 12 wallpaper was already hyped. First do watch this video and tell me how was it. If you don't wish to see it, you can skip this. Well, in this video, as you saw, it is just said that whatever wallpaper or normally the space wallpaper, you can get it here with a very gradient look. If I talk about weather, you can get the dynamic weather system in which you can say if it's raining or snowing, it will inform you everything in detail. And some architecture has been improved here by which you can get a good experience of MIUI 12. That is, you get much more animations. If talking about icon or about its layers, then it is modified very well. And about animation, it is also customized completely. You can get animation or control panel options by using which you can give such look of control panel for your device. Changes are also done in the security application. If you are scanning any virus or if you free space your device or scan any app, then you will get different type of animations over here. Plus you will get new visual UI, as in you want to see any screen time, then you can see it easily because you can get detailing about every particular thing. You can get a real world time transist information over here. If you want to see this in a different type, you can see it here. Plus you can get many types of animations. As I told you in my last video, the privacy protect is done more by MIUI. It is launched here. As player, you can get the behavior of every single app. If talking about using WhatsApp, the data usage, permissions accessed, every data can be found in here. In short saying, you can overall check the behavior of your app. Moving forward, I want to tell you that if any app wants the location, voice or any permission, then you can get the notification with the big icon. Next, we will talk about interceptor, where you can get every detail, as in if any application is asking permission, then making it one time or always allow options can be enabled, which means privacy is taken more care of. If you share any photos or any of your personal data, cannot be leaked. Only the data you want to send will be received to the third party. Remaining data will not be leaked at all. That is, in MIUI 12, privacy is at the top considered. Talking about next feature, that is hidden mask, which you will find here. That is, you can use any app without permission. That is, without providing any permission, you can use and see it. Later, if you liked it, you can give the permissions. As in Google Play, first you try and install. If you wish, similarly in MIUI 12, you can do it. It is a good feature which is modified very well. If you see in here, the slider bar app can be used without permission is seen. Plus you get assured identity. Also you can find privacy is also taken care. You can get intermediate functions. If you get notification simply by swiping down, you can enable this feature. Plus you can reply it directly from there or by using multi-window. You can use it. Well, all this happens whenever you use multi-window to hide, to make it smaller, to drag, drop options are available here. But in MIUI 12, ultimate animations can be received, by which you can customize your device more better. Well, you might get many fraud calls, but you won't be bothered more by those because MIUI 12 automatically identifies it and blocks them. Talking about the main thing is the dark mode. The dark mode 2.0 rumors are spread, but in here you get simple dark mode. But if you compare it from MIUI 11, you can get ultimate dark mode in MIUI 12. For video toolbox, there is no need of any extra launcher because you can get an inbuilt video toolbox. You can get dynamic minimalistic mode, also the smart travel and upcoming events would also be intimated to you, by which you can give your device more ultimate look. In this you can get MI Care, by which you can protect your device, also about warranty. MI Work option is also found, wherein you can access Microsoft Excel and etc. Here they recommend that if you use MIUI 12 in these devices, then good experience can be received. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comments and also mention the best part of the video. If you want to know more about MIUI 12, don't forget to subscribe the channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.